primetime news this evening. 14-year-old girl brutally beaten by adults in Clarendon. 5 women in custody. Playing politics. Children painting sidewalks green in Prime Minister's constituency. And unrest at UE and UTech over wages.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. And a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Anthony Lug.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrew, we're going to have some news from the NCB Financial Group. Change is coming to a few of the boards associated with the groups. I'll have those details and some tips from a marketer about the importance of investing in that part of your business.
And Spencer Darlington is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thank you, Anthony. Well, Mount Pleasant FC will be looking to hold off the chasing pack when the Ray and Neville Jamaica Premier League resumes tomorrow. We'll have details in Primetime Sports later.
Thank you very much, Spencer. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what current affair event from 2023 stood out most for you?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.